Hi guys, today I gonna present you welcome to network attack simulation. What it is network attack simulation, in short NASIM. And today we will talk a bit about theoretical basics of this, and also in the next videos I will come how to install and how to use it, what it is. NASIM is a library which allows you to train reinforcement learning models in this is author. It's a like environment for training reinforcement learning, which can learn pen testing in these scenarios. Here we can visualize the scenario. Here we have some internet firewalls and also firewalls on host and some service. And because we can define everything in scenarios, our agent can like scan it. Oh, there is a host, then scan it, what service it is, look for its exploit database, then choose which exploit it should use. Then we can define the probability like this exploit will work on this service. So it's a very interesting assumption which is based on this paper, like POMP partially observed Markov decision process, which here is 2012, but I see like also 2014. Yes, so they decide, like they state, like in this paper, that the pen testing is just, it can be mathematical represent with just probability. Yeah, because if you think, we have some services which can have some vulnerabilities and we have some exploits. And at the end of the day, this is like probability, like exploit we have and vulnerability the service provide, like it's open, like can be exploited. Yeah, it's probability. So we don't need to visualize all system like based on here, because if you want to visualize or Docker, like do it Docker or Kubernetes, we need to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a lot of VMs and a lot of Docker containers, and it's hard to start, it's hard to manage, it take a lot of RAM, and even we have cloud services take like a lot of like money, so we don't need to visualize this because it make no sense with this assumption, because at the end of the day it's just a probability we hack or we don't hack. So if you want to train like some agent on bigger network, and we see it's even possible to train the agent on bigger network, we can just use this network attack simulation, which seems make more sense because it's built upon the network OpenAI Gym. So OpenAI Gym is very like good environment, and a lot of people who start with reinforcement learning start from OpenAI Gym because it's quite entertainment. Yeah, and you can learn your mother to place or Atari games or walk a ant or landing the spacecraft, like here, yeah, like landing on moon. So because network simulation is built upon, I don't know, upon like in top of this and use the same logic, we can use some pre-built libraries for reinforcement learning, like for example stable baseline. And in this case we can use free algorithm for stable baseline free, because we use free because PyTorch is the best in the world and it will like is better. Like stable baseline without free is on TensorFlow, and also you can, if you like love TensorFlow, you can use Keras. It was a joke with PyTorch, of course. It's just I have on subject PyTorch, that's why I use it. And DQN, it's if somebody from Google listen this video, disclaimer. So DQN, A2C, and PPO, this is like free algorithms. It can be used because it is limited. The algorithms are limited with like use observation space. Yeah, they have very limited observation space, so it cannot be used like freely. So if we came back here, we see like this visualization which we talk about, and in next video I will show you how to install this library, because it's open source. Nobody pay, anybody pay for it, so it cannot work. Like, it's rule, like open source doesn't work, but it's not hard fix. And then I will also post in next video integration, how to integrate with Gymnasium and also with Stable Baseline. And in next videos I will present my results on this environment, and also maybe how you can track the training or some. So see you in next videos, and bye.